Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your pan is clean, dry, and room temperature. Once set, place it on a cold burner and turn to medium heat. You want even warming. Heat for about 5 to 7 minutes until the surface is uniformly hot but not smoking. While that happens, measure about 1/2 teaspoon of high smoke point oil per serving and have your protein or vegetables patted dry. Make sure to open ventilation and wear gloves so you stay safe. Once the pan reaches temperature, pour in a thin film of oil and tilt the pan to coat ridges and flats. Do not pool oil. You should then test with a small corner of your food. If it sizzles instantly, you have correct heat for searing, which creates the Maillard crust. If it smokes, lower heat and wait. If there is no sizzle, raise heat slightly. Make sure to time each side and avoid crowding to maintain even browning. You finish by cooking to the recommended internal temperature and then remove the food to rest. This preserves juices and completes carryover cooking. Once cooled slightly, wipe the pan with a paper towel. While warm, rub a thin layer of oil to protect the seasoning. If food sticks or residue remains, reheat the pan, add a little oil, and use a stiff brush or spatula to loosen stuck bits. This solves sticking without stripping seasoning. Make sure
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.